Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, dear friends. Hello, dear my students. Already we have started exercise 2.4. Today we will continue question number 3. Before starting, one thing I want to tell you. If you didn't complete CW book, please complete it. If you have any query, if you have any doubt, you can contact admin. So inshallah we will try to give proper solution. Now we will move on the question number 3. 7 upon 3 divided by 2. Already you know very well. First you can see here 2 upon 1, there is nothing, there is no denominator, so we can understand there is only 1. Denominator में कुछ नहीं है, there is only 1, so we can say that 2 upon 1, because here 7 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 1. Why I have written 1 here? Because of we are going to convert division symbol into multiplication symbol, and already we have discussed in earlier part, whenever you are going to convert division into multiplication symbol, so changing places denominator into numerator and numerator will take place in the denominator. This thing we have discussed in earlier part. Okay, now 7 upon 3, look at this side, 7 upon 3 multiply, and already you know while you are converting, while you are writing multiplication symbol, so changing places numerator and denominator. Okay, exchanging places numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So here 1 upon 2. My dear students, 7 upon 3 divided by 2 only here. But in the denominator there is nothing. So we can understand there is only 1. So we can write 2 upon 1. Understood? Clear? अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो you can be drop your message in the comment section box. So we will give the proper solution. Okay? Now look at this side. 7 1 ja 7 multiplied by 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, so here 7 1 ja 7, 3 2 ja 6. Okay, so 7 upon 6, this is the improper fractions. So 6 divided by 7, 6 1 ja 6, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So what is the answer? 1 integer 1 upon 6, it is your answer. Understood? Now second question, 4 upon 9 divided by 5. So can I write beta? 4 upon 9 divided by 5 upon 1. Understood? 4 upon 9 divided by 5 upon 1. So now we will convert division symbol into multiplication symbol. So 4 upon 9 multiplied by 1 upon 5. Okay? Here directly we can write 4 1 ja 4, 9 5 ja 45. Okay, so it is your answer. Okay, now question number 3. 6 upon 13 divided by 7. Okay, same like way, 6 upon 13 divided by 7 upon 1. Can I write or not? Yes, of course you can write 7 upon 1. Now convert division symbol into multiplication symbol. Okay, the 6 upon 13 multiplied by 1 upon 7. मैं बार बार बेटा मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, कि अगर डिवीजन सिंबल को मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंबल में इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू कन्वर्ट, so changing places denominator to numerator and numerator into denominator, this thing you should keep in your mind. डिनोमिनेटर एनुमरेटर में चला जाएगा और एनुमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में चला जाएगा। जब आप डिवीजन सिंबल को मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंबल में अगर आप कन्वर्ट करते हैं तब ये होगा। दिस थिंग यू शुड कीप इन योर माइंड बिकॉज इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट। इट विल हेल्प दिस कंसेप्ट इन स्टैंडर्ड 8 to 10, so it is your basic. Okay, now directly 6 1 जा 6, 13 7 जा 91. If you don't know a table, just you can go through it. 7 3 जा 21, 7 1 जा 7 plus 2 9, so 13 7 जा 91. So beta, it is your answer. The 6 upon 91, it is your answer. Understood? Okay. Question number 4. 4 integer 1 upon 3 divided by 3. Okay, my dear student, tell me what is a fraction. Tell me the which type of fraction. Yes, this is a mixed fraction. If you have given mixed fraction, what we have to do first? We will convert mixed fraction into simple fraction. Understood? What we have to do? 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3 ja 12. Then 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Okay? So 13 upon 3 divided by 3. Understood? Now, beta, can I write 3 upon 1? Okay, now we will convert division symbol into multiplication symbol. So 13 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Okay, now multiply by all the numerators and all the denominators. Okay, so 13 1 ja 13 upon 3 3 ja 9. So it is in improper fractions, right? So what we have to do? We'll divide by 9 upon 13. बेटा improper fraction किसको बोलेंगे? If the value of the denominator is smaller than numerator value, so it is known as improper fraction. If your answer will come in improper fractions, so you need to convert into mixed fractions. Okay, so 13 divided by 9. So 13 1 ja, sorry, 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. So 9 1 ja 9. So 13 minus 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, the answer is one integer 4 upon 9. So answer is 1 integer 4 upon 9. So it is your answer. Okay. Now we will move on. Question number 5. Okay, 3 integer 1 upon 2. What we have to do first? In the given question, this is a mixed fraction. So what we have to do? We will convert mixed fraction into simple fractions. So 3 2 the 6, 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2 divided by 4. Okay, so 7 upon 2 divided by 4 upon 1. Okay, 7 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Okay, now 7 1 ja 7, 4 2 ja 8. So it is a proper fraction. So there is no need to divide by the denominator. Okay. So it is your answer. Understood? Now we will move on the question number 6. 4 integer 3 upon 7. So 7 4 ja 28. 28 plus 3. So 28 plus 3 is equal to 31. So 31 upon 7. Understood? Divide by 7 upon 1. Can I write or not? Yes, of course we can write 7 upon 1. Okay? Now 31 upon 7 multiply 1 upon 7. Already I have repeated many times beta while you are converting division symbol into multiplication. So changing places, denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator. Okay, already we have repeated so many times. Okay, so 31 1 ja 31 and 7 7 ja 49. Okay, so beta, this is your answer. Understood? Question number 4. Find question number 1. 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. So what we have to do? We will convert division symbol into multiplication symbol. So 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 1. Understood? Now multiply by all the numerators. The 2 multiplied by 2 upon 5 1 ja 5. So what is answer? 2 2 ja 4. 5 1 ja 5. So beta, it is your answer. Clear? We will move on to question number 2. 4 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. So 4 upon 9 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Okay, while you are converting division symbol into multiplication, what we have to do? We are going to exchange the places of numerator and the denominator. Okay, it is also known as reciprocals, which we have discussed in earlier part. Okay, now 4 upon 9 multiplied by 3 upon 2. So 4 multiplied by 3 upon 2 multiplied by 9. My dear students, can I write 2 2 ja 4 instead of 4? Yes or no? So we have written here 2 2 ja 4 instead of 4. Okay, so these two and these two will be cut. Understood? So remaining number is 3 2 ja 6 upon 9. So beta, it is your answer. And it is also a proper fraction. So if your answer will come in the proper fraction, so there is no need for division. Understood? Okay, so it is your answer. Clear? Now we will move on the third question. 3 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 8. Understood? Clear? Now 3 multiplied by 7 upon 7 multiplied by 8. We multiply all the numerators and all the denominators. Okay, so here this 7 and this 7 will be cut. Okay, so remaining number is 3 upon 8. So it is your answer. Clear? 3 upon 8, it is your answer. Now we will move on the question number 4. 2 integer 1 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. Okay. So what we have to do? We will multiply by 2 3 are 6. After getting the answer, what we have to do? We will add by 1. The 3 2 are 6 plus 1. The 7 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. Okay. But one thing you should keep in your mind. In the given question, आपको क्या याद रखना है? In the given question, if the mixed fraction has been given, so what you have to do? You have to convert mixed fraction into simple fraction. After converting simple fraction, then try to solve the answer. Try to solve the questions. Understood? आपको क्या याद रखना है? अगर क्वेश्चन में आपको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन दिया जाता है तो आपको सबसे पहले सिंपल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना ही पड़ेगा. देन आफ्टर कन्वर्टिंग मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू सिंपल फ्रैक्शन, देन ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. ये आपको याद रखना ही पड़ेगा. दिस इज द स्टेप फॉर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन. ओके. नाउ 7 upon 3 convert into division into multiplication symbol. So 7 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 3. Okay. Now look at this side. 7 5 ja 35. 7 multiplied by 5 upon 3 multiplied by 3. Try to cut, but there is no possibility. So what we have to do? 7 5 ja 35. 3 3 ja 9. Okay. So here 35 divided by 9. Tell me, speak the table. Okay. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36. Okay. It will be increased. So we will use 9 3 ja 27. So 35 minus 27. So here 15. So 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So beta, what is answer? 3 integer 8 upon 9. This is a quotient. This is a remainder and this is a divisor. Okay. The 3 integer 8 upon 9. So beta, it is your answer. Okay. Beta, one mistake I have done here, but there is no mistake. But we can calculation more here in the second question. So what is the answer, beta? 2 multiplied by 3 upon 9. Okay. So beta, can I write 2 multiplied by 3 upon 3 multiplied by 3? So 3 will be cancelled. So answer is 2 upon 3. Understood? Clear? So try to reduce the factor. Okay? This type of question will be asked in the examination. Understood? Students, free question 3 integer 1 upon 2 divided by 8 upon 3. You have to do by yourself. This is a homework questions. If you have any query, if you didn't get answer, so you can contact the admin. So I will give you a solution. Okay. Now we will move on to question number 6. Okay. 2 upon 5 divided by 1 integer 1 upon 2. Okay. So what we have to do first? We will convert mixed fraction into simple fractions. Okay. So 2 upon 5 divided by 2 1 ja 2 plus 1. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1. The 3 upon 2. Okay. So 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 3. Okay. Now try to reduce, but there is no possible. So answer is 2 2 ja 4 upon 5 3 ja 15. So beta, this is your answer. Clear? Now we will move on to question number 7. 3 integer 1 upon 5 divided by 1 integer 2 upon 3. What we have to do first? We will convert mixed fraction into simple fractions. Okay. 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 1 plus 16 upon 5 divided by 3 1 ja 3. 3 plus 2 5 upon 3. Okay, so 16 upon 5 divided by 5 upon 3. So here you can see 16 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 5. Understood? 16 upon 5 multiply by 3 upon 5, changing places of a numerator and the denominator. Okay, now 16 3 ja 48. If you don't know a table of 16, so you can do in this way also, in this form also. 6 3 ja 18. 3 1 ja 3 plus 1, that is 48. Okay, 5 5 ja 25. Understood? So here 40, sorry, my mistake, I have written here. Okay, actually 25, 48 divided by 25. So here 25 1 ja 25 and 25 2 ja 50. So it is more than 48. Okay, so 25 1 ja 25. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so 1 integer 23 upon 25. So my dear student, this is your answer. Okay. Now we will move on to question number 8, and this is the last question for this exercise, and this is the last question for this class. Okay. Here 2 integer 1 upon 5 divided by 1 integer 1 upon 5. So what we have to do first? We will convert mixed fraction into simple fractions. So here 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5 divided by division symbol. 5 1 ja 5 plus 1 plus 6 upon 5. Understood? 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 plus 1, 6 upon 5. Now 11 upon 5, convert division symbol into multiplication symbol. So here 5 upon 6. Okay, it is also known as a reciprocal, changing places numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Okay, here you can see 5 5 will be cancelled, so remaining 11 upon 6, it is improper fractions. So what we have to do? 11 divided by 6. So 6 1 ja 6. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Okay. So what is answer? 1 integer 5 upon 6. So my dear students, this is your answer. Okay. So here we have completed exercise 2.4, and Exercise 2.1 to 2.4 you have to copy in your CW book, and if you have any query regarding exercise 2.1 to 2.4, so you can be drop your message in the comment section box. Inshallah, we will meet in next video very soon. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.